This video is instruction on completing the RP6 document. Uh, this is a relatively short step and primarily has to do with formatting. So the first thing we're going to do is open up RP5, and you're going to select everything here, and then you're going to hold down Control C. You're going to then go to RP6, hold down Control V, which will paste it onto RP6 like this. And so now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to decide whether or not you're going to use the quotation or the paraphrase in your paper. And the one you do not choose, you are going to take out. So if I'm going to review these, I really like this quotation better than my paraphrase, so I'm going to take out the paraphrase. Hold down Delete, and down here I like the paraphrase, so I'm going to take out the quotation. Now in your paper you need to have at least 2 quotations and 2 paraphrases. So make sure that you have that in mind when you're making these choices. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn these paragraphs. Now I have 2. You should have 4 of these chunks here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to put a cursor in front of the topic sentence, and I'm going to tap the Tab key to indent it. Then I'm going to put the cursor at the end of the sentence, hit the space bar once, and then hit the Delete key until the red typing is right after the topic sentence, and I'm going to do the same thing, getting the green after the red, and then the same thing, getting the concluding sentence after the green. Now I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to hit the Tab key. Then I'm going to hit the Delete key here until that is right under this paragraph. Then I'm going to take the cursor up here, tap the space key once, hold down the delete, or hit the Delete key until the red is after the black, tap the space key, tap the Delete key until the green is after the red, tap the space key, and tap the Delete key until the black is after the green. So this all looks good. It looks like 2 paragraphs. Yours should look like 4. Now we need to format it properly. So I want you to highlight everything, and then we're going to go up to Format, and you're going to go to Line Spacing, and then go down to Double. And notice now that we have double line spacing. Now the type that I have here is Verdana. I don't want that in the paper. I want you to use Courier New. So open up that and click on Courier New. Notice that the type style changes. Now we're going to go over here to Text Color. We're going to change everything into black. So now you have something that looks like 4 really nice paragraphs. The next step that I want you to take is to write a thesis statement. So really, what is the big main point of your paper going to be? And here, notice that I've been talking about health. So my thesis statement is health for young people suffers because of a negative attitude towards physical education and little time spent in physical activities. And notice that negative attitude towards physical education is mentioned here in the first paragraph. The second paragraph talks about little time spent with physical activities. So you're going to start off by making your statement, and then you're going to use the word because, and then you're going to list your 4 reasons. You will have 1 reason in each paragraph. Now I've left that separated from the rest of the paper, and I want you to do that at least for now. The next step will be to do introductory and concluding paragraphs, and we'll finish that with in the next step. And that is all there is to RP6. Thank you.